Welcome back to PPM Racing Products here on Tech Tuesday. Today we're going to be talking about our Air Breather Assemblies. Now, ours is a little different than you see on the market these days. So, I'm going to dive right into what makes ours different and why we make them different. With ours, as you can tell, it has a bubble on it. A lot of people like the flat top breathers and they're fine. You know, they're good and everything, but I want to give y'all a little insight of why we make ours like this. Now, as you can tell, this one right here, it has the bubble and it has a ridge right here. With that ridge, what it does is when you put this on top of your breather, on top of your filter, on top of your filter, there's 2 points of contact. It seals on this side and on that little lip. So the filter always has a nice seal around it. The thing we've come into with the flat breather assemblies, depending on who makes them, there's some on the market that's awesome. There is. But there's some that's made really cheap. And with that being said, whenever you tighten your air cleaner nut down, on them flat breather assemblies, there's no support on the inside. So when you tighten that nut down in the center, it brings the sides up. So dirty air gets on top, in between the filter and the housing. But like I said, on ours has the double seal that'll press down on both sides of the filter. That way that isn't a possibility. Now, again, as you can tell, ours has the bubble, but let me tell you why. Whenever you put one of these on your car, when you have a flat breather versus this one, there's a difference between turbulent air and nice flowing air. And the way we design this one is when the air comes into the breather, it flows around, and in the center of this, it has a little slope to it, like a little bowl. And what that does is it allows the air, when it comes in through the filter, it allows it to flow up and have a nice flow down into your carburetor. When you have the flat top, none of that is possible. It just gets turbulent air sucked into the carburetor. Yet, in racing, to be smooth, you have to have smooth air. Just like a lot of people say whenever they're on the racetrack, you race better when you're in clean air. Same thing with your breather assembly. It has to be nice and flow real good. Along with our breather assemblies, we offer the velocity bottom. And what that does is it raises the filter assembly and allows air to funnel more down into the carburetor at a higher speed. And it's the same thing on the bottom of these. It has a little bitty lip here on the inside and of course the outside edge to allow double seal on the bottom of the filter assembly of the filter as well. Now with these filter assemblies, I'm struggling. With these filter assemblies, every one that you get comes with a 1/2 inch sure seal. And what this does, it's machined on the inside to fit the bottom of our housings, and it has an O-ring on the bottom to seal tight against your carburetor. With these things, a lot of people, when you take a 4 and a 5 inch with our assemblies, because of how high the bottom is, and you take into account the bubble a little bit, a lot of people say, well, Hunter, my carburetor stud isn't good. It ain't tall enough. We got you covered, obviously. We offer an 8 inch carburetor stud. It's all thread all the way up and has 5/16 on the bottom. It's 5/16 up the top as well. And then it has your machined notches here, so that way you can turn a wrench and tighten it up. Now with that, a lot of people are like, well, Hunter, now you normally just use a nut on the top, like a little 5/16 hex nut that I tighten on with a socket. Don't worry. We got one of these nice machined top carburetor stud caps. And on the bottom of this, it also has an O-ring. That way you don't scratch the nice powder coat that we give you. Now, with these assemblies, we also offer the filters as well. If you go to our website, we offer it with the K&N style washable filter, or we also offer Walker filters. And both of these filters come in 3, 4, and 5 inches. And we also offer a lot of outerwears for them. You can get them black, blue, purple, green, whatever. With or without a top. And a lot of people say, well, what do you mean with a top or with no top? Well, on your breather assemblies, whenever you're putting the outerwears on, outerwears makes a cover that goes around the sides and leaves the top open. Or with the top, it covers the entire thing. And a lot of people are like, well, why do I want that? Well, at that point, it protects your coating of your breather assembly from all the rocks and the dirt and stuff. They're obviously gonna get hit sometimes, but it helps. And then, like I said, we have the Walker filters and the washable K&Ns. We offer these breather assemblies in just any various of colors. Your standard ones like black, blue, red, white. Got all your basic colors, and now we've got some fluorescent colors like fluorescent orange, fluorescent red, fluorescent yellow, and fluorescent green. We are now offering 3 new colors. We got gray that matches your MD3 plastic. We have this nice fluorescent pink, and then we also have our purple. All these 3 colors are new and they look amazing. I don't think this video is going to do it any justice, so take a look at them for yourself online at ppmracingproducts.com, or if you want to order any of these assemblies or any parts for these assemblies, call me at 865-354-9669. And thank you guys for joining in on Tech Tuesday.